Alright, I think we are in the mood for some refreshments. Any ideas? What is that? Is that? Yeah. What is that?
Green tea.
You have coins.
We're just financing this whole trip for you.
Yes. You have to cover that.
Call me your sugar mama.
Sugar mama?
I'll invoice you.
I mean, I wouldn't mind a Coke Zero. I know.
Yeah. Not sweetened at all.
You know what green tea is in Japanese?
Yeah. Matcha.
No, you got it wrong, guys. Ocha.
Ocha?
Ocha.
That's my son. He learned Japanese from this Duolingo app. Also prep. No endorsement.
No endorsement yet.
Alright. Sparkling water. Just good old sparkling water. That's